I feel like it's gonna hurt. All right, fine. Fuck it. Oh, man. Okay. I'm gonna try down this, okay? This is a Coke, by the way. A Coke Zero. Just, because I like red and black. All right. Why'd you write that one? Because I needed one that was, like, easier, and then I got a suggestion, all right? Fuck it. Okay, I'm just gonna down it. Ugh. Oh, what the? Oh my god, it hurts. God, I just... Oh my god. Okay, I just drank the entire can, and I feel very good. No, dude, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't feel very good. Holy shit! I don't feel like burping though. I don't feel like burping. Maybe I need to like. Oh, you know what I need? I need to act like a Coke bottle. I need to. Like shake up and down. If I shake the Coke inside me, it will like fizz up, right? And then I'll burp. Oh, fuck. You're gonna vomit? I feel like I'm gonna fucking puke already, bro. I feel like I'm gonna fucking vomit. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Oh. Okay, wait, let me open the next fucking Coke, because that one obviously didn't make me burp. Oh, fuck. Alright, here we go. Oh. Oh my god, my throat. Let's simmer. Dude, what if it fucks up? No, I can't let it simmer, bro. Another one? I need a burp. I need a burp. Okay, how do I make myself burp? I don't know how to burp, bro. Hold on, okay, I need to like channel it. Okay, I feel something. I feel my stomach being like inflated, like inflation porn. Wait, I'm gonna keep pressing on my stomach. I feel it, chat, I feel it. No, I don't. No, I don't. I thought I felt it, but I need more Coke. I'm not gonna pop, bro. I'm not a balloon, okay? Okay. All right. Okay. I feel it. Come on. Out. Wait. Guys, I actually feel it. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. It's not coming out. It's not coming out. All right. Let's just like hope it comes out soon then. All right. Okay. Next up, where was I? Oh. That sounded more like a fucking vomit burp than a burp. What the fuck was that? Dude. That sounded like a vomit burp. That didn't even sound like a burp. What the fuck? I drank 1.5 cans of Coke for that? Are you serious? That was a burp, yes. That was my... I just burped. What the fuck? No, I didn't swallow the burp. Like, I feel another one coming. I did it! I did it! I did it! I burped. Okay, that was gross. I'm never doing that again.